It's coming in, like we said, there are two clear divided camps. There's the Gehlot camp, Sachin Pilot camp, news filtering in from the Sachin Pilot camp, which seems to confirm that Sachin Pilot is of the belief that there is no legal validity of the whip issued by the Congress. Mind you, at late at night, somewhere about 2 a.m. and the press conference at 2:30 a.m. at night, confirmed that there's a whip that is being issued by the Ashok Gehlot government, by Ashok Gehlot, that all members of the Congress party, all Legislative Assembly members need to be in attendance today at the Legislative Party meet. And if you're not there, then action would be taken. But the latest coming in is that Sachin Pilot has questioned the validity, the legal validity of this whip if there is action at the back of non-attendance. I want to cut across. I have reporters. I have Devankur Vadhavan, who's breaking this news on India Today. Dev, since the last 24 hours, we've had claims by the Gehlot camp, counter claims by the Sachin Pilot camp. The latest seems to be that Sachin Pilot is now questioning the legal validity of the whip issued by the Chief Minister of Rajasthan.
Well, clearly, Preeti, at this time, Sachin Pilot is testing the waters. He has been in consultations across several platforms. And what we're given to believe is that that is the reason why Sachin Pilot is in no mood to speak with the media or to come out with an official stance on the entire sequence of events over the last 3 days. There have been several official statements that have been made, but on his behalf, but not directly by him. The latest one, which has been made, is that the whip that has been issued by the Congress is not holding any constitutional or legal validity because the assembly is not in motion right now. It claims that those MLAs who have sided with Pilot, it is an attempt to create pressure on those MLAs. I have also spoken with several MLAs, Preeti, who were earlier considered to be staunch loyalists or close to Sachin Pilot while he was and in fact he still is the PCC president. During those years when the BJP was in power, Vasundhara Raje was holding the reign, Sachin Pilot really had worked hard on the ground, and several MLAs who had worked alongside him in those trying times believe that they are rather shocked by the sequence of events. They believe that things could have been worked out, but perhaps they also maintain that the personal ambition of Sachin Pilot got the better of him. They claim that unlike Jyotiraditya, at least Sachin Pilot had the posts of Deputy Chief Minister as well as the Pradesh Congress Committee Chief.
Right.
And the differences or the ego tussle that was going on between Gehlot and Pilot could have been sorted out more amicably rather than this entire, public mudslinging and all the kind of remarks and the kind of the barbs that have been issued from both sides. What happens now is something which would need to be watched out for. But as of now, Gehlot camp is in no mood to relent. They are not holding discussions or trying to approach Sachin Pilot per se, but they are trying to wean away some of the MLAs who belong to Pilot camp and are currently camping in NCR. Preeti?
All right, they're going to stay on with me. I'm going to come right back and cut across to Rahul Srivastav as well. So there is the Gehlot camp, there is the Sachin Pilot camp. Where does the Congress High Command stand? Right now, it seems firmly on the side of the Gehlot camp. We're going to get you the very latest, slipping into a quick break to stay with us.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.